Mathterpiece Theater. Today, I'll be sharing the adventures of the three little pigs and how they outsmarted the big bad wolf. Once upon a time, the three little pigs were having a lively discussion.
My front door is way taller than your front door.
Your front door is not taller than mine.
You see, today, they had a little extra time on their hands because the big bad wolf was leaving them alone.
Is two, is not.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why don't we measure the height of both of your doors to see who's right?
With what? That big bad wolf broke our ruler, remember? Whoa! Ah! Oh! Ugh, mean old wolf.
Huh. There must be a way we can measure these two doors and compare their heights.
The littlest pig gave some serious thought to the problem. Then he was struck with an idea.
Yaha! I have an idea. We can use this pine cone to see which door is taller.
Oh, yeah, he always was the clever one.
If we use the same pine cone to measure each door, then we can compare how many pine cones tall each door is from the very bottom to the tippy top. Your door, brother, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pine cones tall. Notice how we move the pine cone each time so that we put the bottom exactly where the top was. We also measured in a straight line. That's very important, too.
How many pine cones tall is my door, brother?
Let's see. Your door is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pine cones tall. Since 9 is more than 8, your door is taller, brother.
Settled then.
See? We use this pine cone as a unit of measurement. We could have used anything, really, as long as the object is the same object, and we move it carefully. Or if it's a group of identical objects, like these bricks. Your window is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bricks wide. My window is 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks wide. Because the number 5 is more than the number 4, your window, brother, is bigger than mine.
How about my window, Piggy? Why don't you come to my house so we can measure it?
Ah!
Hello, Mr. Big Wolf. We're so glad you're here.
We are? We are?
Shh. We've been wondering how many big bad wolves it is from my front door to the creek.
You're making me a unit to measure with? Why not just use your bricks there?
Oh, no. A brick is too small to measure something that long. But you, sir, are the perfect size.
I am?
Mm-hmm. I think it's 12 big bad wolves to the creek. My brothers think it's 9.
Oh, yes. Maybe less, because you're such a big bad wolf.
That I am. To that creek over there? Let's find out. 1.
Hey, careful not to leave any spaces and keep it in a straight line.
I know. 2.
And that's how the three little pigs used non-standard measurements to outsmart the big bad wolf.
It's 10 big bad wolves to the river.
Settled then. Settled then.
I wonder how many big bad wolves it is from where you're standing to that great big rock way over there.
Oh, let's find out.